Hello, my name is José Rojo from Energy and Transformation 2, Group 112, and I am going to explain my experiment. First, a brief introduction to the topic. Wind energy has been on the planet since long before the humanity had discovered it and implemented methods to use its power to create energy or to use it also as an additional force. For this experiment, I am going to use an air compressor to fill a PVC tube with this compressed air. When it is released, the projectile used will be fired due to the pressure that the air will release. This mechanism is directly related with physics because it is related with the law of conservation of energy, making it potency to shoot this projectile, and the power width, because with other materials it will be needed to fill more compressed air to shoot it like a projectile. My theoretical framework is to study how the projectile mass and composition of the materials in it will be affected by the air friction, wind, and gravity. Methodology. The materials are 60 centimeters of PVC pipe 3 inches, 60 centimeters PVC pipe 4 inches, 4 inches PVC end cap, 3 to 2 inches PVC reducer, 4 to 2 PVC reducer, PVC trap adapter dowel connection, threaded, 2 inches ball valve, 1 metal pneumatic filling of bicycles, and the tools to be used are the PVC cleaner, PVC glue, and Teflon tape cell. To measure, it will be need a flexometer, a manometer, video requirement, and tracker, and application. In this experiment, it will be independent variables, dependent variables, and controlled variables. The independent variables are the air friction and the angle of the shot. The dependent variable is the distance, and the controlled variable is the pressure of the compressed air in the tank. In this case, I am using 20 psi. In the prototype I built, I am looking to compare the affection of the air in the projectile and the changes in the parabola. And for the measure of the pressure in the air tank, it was taken with a manometer. As you can see in these graphs, the shots was really different because the angle at what was used to shot was different in every single shot, affecting the distance or the way the projectile is going to follow. These are the tables of the data collection in which we can notice the distance and the height the ball reached in every shot. This was a little affected at the exact number because the measurement had to be at hand, so it was a little difficult to approach and order. Well, my analysis with the information I can get notice that in certain cases the distance that was reached was much less, but all the shots were tried and repeated with the power of 20 psi, and thus have an approximate of how much they could reach their maximum distance. The factors that could have affect or varied in the launches and the maximum distance at the projectile reach, the height and the length, showing where the angle at which the projectile was fired. Well, and for last, my conclusion of this experiment. First, the compressed air tank, the maximum capacity of the PVC pressure is 20 psi. This is because the PVC resistance is lower than other materials. If it is wanted, more potency of shot is necessary another material for compressed air tank. Second, the conservation of energy. The material of the ball was lightweight, another material too heavy. This is related with the other point because it was needed for more pressure to shoot a heavy object, and it doesn't have the necessary potency. And third one, the power weight. The potency of shot was the perfect quantity of compressed air in the tank. As I said, my prototype of compressed air cannon was designed to shoot a tennis ball, and this allowed me to have a nice shot at the moment of trying with this projectile. Main limitations and improvement proposals for future works. Capacity in the air tank to shoot heavier objects. It is necessary to improve materials of air tank for more capacity. This because the PVC can resist more pressure of air than 20 psi. Reduce pipes of PVC for other projectiles. Reduce the size of the connections of air tank to the cannon. This because is needed more pressure to shoot a heavier projectile, and a better method of measurement for maximum height.